Hey everyone, and welcome today to our Analytics Beginner Capsule. Today in this video, we will be covering how to find system reports and how to just generally navigate through the analytics module in Borealis. What is the analytics module? Well, if you're looking to analyze some of the data that you've been inputting into Borealis, then you would use the analytics module to help with building charts and lists and maybe some number indicators, things like that, and eventually arrange them into what we call a report so that, again, you can analyze that nice data that you're putting into Borealis. So if you're just getting into analytics or you don't know where to start, this video is definitely for you. I'm really excited to get into it. Analytics is probably my favorite module, so without further ado, let's talk about navigating to it. So here I am logged into Borealis, and to find the analytics module, we just need to go to the left-hand side where we find our other modules in Borealis, and then just find the icon that is the zigzag with the dots on it, or it could be a line chart or a constellation, for example. And we'll click on this logo right here, and it will bring us right to the analytics section of Borealis. So I first want to talk about the difference between a report and a widget, because those are the two sections highlighted here at the top that you can see are available to us inside of the analytics module. Now, I guess what a report is it's just a collective of widgets. And what widgets are, I guess, are the charts, tables, lists, and indicators that make up a report. More will come on widgets in another video, but for now we will be focusing on the reports. Now, when you are navigating through the report section, there are a few things to highlight. First of all, not all reports are made by users of Borealis. We have some reports that are available to you out of the box when you purchase Borealis. These are what we call system reports, and they're highlighted usually by the owner being IMS admin. And you can see there are some other reports here as well that were created by some users because it has a name assigned to it. Now, if you wanted to access a report, it's as simple as just clicking on the report in the area, and it will open up this report here for you to view. And all of these little charts you see here, these are all widgets. Now, if we wanted to find a report, we can do so by using the search feature at the top. Maybe I want to find a report about communications, for example. I could type it in, see what's available to me. Maybe we'll check this communications performance report out. This looks like it was built by a user. You can see there's some nice widgets in here, but a very standard report. Now, maybe I want to see a list of my system reports. I'm just back in the analytics module. I could click the access here. And we have the option of private, public, and system. We'll get into the different access levels in a later video, but if we do select the system access, it will give us a list of our system reports. And if I want to access it, maybe this one on communications management here is looking really interesting, or even this one on communications performance, I could just click on it and it'll bring up the system report here. Now, this report here is just showing me, I guess, some data on how my communications with my stakeholders are going. You can see things like the hot subject categories in this widget, the number of communications maybe in that widget, and then a nice line chart showing the weekly number of communications. Maybe I really like this report and I want to be able to access it really quickly, maybe even have it on my homepage when I log into Borealis. Well, that is possible as well. Let me show you a few features you can use to quickly jump back to this report if you ever want to view it again. Now, the first option is to add this report to my homepage, and what that means is when I log in, I can immediately see it, or if I ever want to go back to my homepage, I can quickly find it. In order to do this, I want to direct your attention to the top right here, and we're going to use our hamburger menu, and we're just going to click the add to homepage option. It will give you a quick notice at the bottom just saying it's been added to your homepage. And if we click the home button, or when we log in, we'll be able to quickly access the report right here on our homepage just by clicking the tab. So let's click on it and see what it looks like. And you'll see everything that has to do with the report is right here. We can scroll through it, look at our data, and have it easily accessible on our homepage. We can even use the hamburger menu here to hit view and go back to the report if we so choose to. The second option that you have to favorite or to quickly access this report is you could click the little star here. It's right to the left of the hamburger menu, all the way to the left. And if we click that and we click add to bookmark, it will be quickly available here in our bookmark section right there. And if I click on it, it will bring me right to the report. So just two quick ways to make this more easily accessible to you and others on your team. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start talking a little bit more about duplicating a system report and making it your own. But I hope you learned something in this video just about the general navigation. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.